Welcome to the Colour Harmony Guide of your Canva Starter Pack. This is great. It is such a good, fun activity to do. Alright, so we're looking at photos. I think I typed wellness and have a look through, obviously using just the free versions. Let's have a look, scroll through till we find that one we're working on. There are so many photos. I know the paid pack, that's over 60,000, probably more than that, stock photos you have access to. I found this one here. This is the one that I have in the PDF. All right. Okay, so we've got our inspirational photo. Could be anything that just makes you feel like it speaks for you or for your brand. And we'll go up to elements here and we will grab some squares. Well, don't have to be spot on, but that's all right. Okay, and I'll make that a little bit smaller. Okay, click off, click on again. See the plus? We'll duplicate 5 times. Is that right? Now these pink lines are also an absolute lifesaver in Canva because it helps you to know where you're lining up your elements. It's so clever. We're not going to go crazy about everything being aligned. But I work in this every day, day in, day out, so it's just, yeah, it's what I'm used to. Okay, this has already matched us with, matched with a colour already in the photo. So we'll go to the next one, and then up here where it says colour, click on that, magic. The photo colours, they're picked out. Oh, great. Next one. Is that one there maybe? Oh, it's a bit of a difference, tiny bit of a difference. Go to the next one. All right, so then you've got your colour harmony done. You've chosen your colours to match your brand. If you're not sure, you think, oh, just something, I just like the pale pink. Pick a colour from the design. Little eyedropper. Let's go over. It is so clever. A bit of a paler pink maybe. Try that. Okay, so then we've actually got another way to get the colours from a photo. Have fun, play, be colourful.